Trying to figure out how to take this out. I think we broke it.
No.
Why do you push it? You're like...
Dylan broke it.
Dylan.
No, you can.
We got another head unit here. Pretty fancy. All this fucking wiring. You seen the bags, fucking me and Aaron. We suck at wiring.
Bang.
Especially Aaron. I need Jack.
Chicken burger.
Oh, I can't say that.
Why not?
Bro, I don't think that's meant to come off.
No, but like, you know.
I think you broke it.
Why is it not coming out? Can't.
Oh, the head unit's loose. Oh, that side's kind of coming out. Anyway, we'll get back to yours when we get this out.
Can I just rip it off?
No.
No. Kickhead. Kickhead.
We managed to take the screen off. I don't think we were meant to do that, but...
No.
Fuck. Got it. What was the secret tool, Aaron?
Oh, yeah.
Fucking pliers, mate. And it's not completely fucked, but it's half fucked.
50-50, mate.
Look at this. This fucking thing's 23 years old. Piece of shit. Don't mind the siren. The huge.
Ended up doing a fucking lit up the street.
Oh, lots of fun here.
I don't know, some random. He lives in Gore. Just down by my sister. Now the cops will rock up to his house.
This thing's so weird. That's why I like the Commodores. I hear a bit. You got the knee. Oh, that's the handles I want to do. Just my colour. That looks sick. See, could you imagine that with the thick chromes like this guy has? Oh, I want this so bad. Bro, you almost hit the fucking back. Jesus. Bit close. Bro, that's the window trims I want though, and that's literally the door handles I want. Just silver on the backing, obviously. Yeah, I don't know, I kinda wanna get rid of mine, but I'm still debating it. The only reason I want it is because the light in the back works, which is quite rare. Oh yeah, I will. The slammed. And you got all the... Oh, we need to go to meets with more, like, you know, colours we like. You know? Like, this shit's cool, but I know none of it. You know? Oi, look at this. Look at these, it's not gonna run over. Oh, we got the Lancer. It's a Cape Valley car. Fucking hell. Lancer. What's this Commodore? Is this a VL or a what? VP? No, the headlights. These guys are butchered that bloke, and now someone's behind them. Bro, did that plate from Queensland? Bro, I wonder what it's like driving one of these. Is that a spider in his gear stick?
Yeah, mate.
It's a gear stick. The round thing.
Where's used to?
Look what this side of the wheel. See it? The round ball. It's a spider, isn't it? What's this? Is this one of those Mazdas that are fast? Oh, he's got Instagram. He's got Instagram. Oh, look at this beast. Fucking hell. What is that, man? Jesus, that's great. It's like a space shuttle. No, this is my favourite. My favourite of the day. Slammed the Commodore. All round. It's tough as. I hope it's a bit. Yeah. Turbo. Yeah. This is turbo. Look.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't know that came out of the factory. This one's always the old green machine. It's got Kermit. Oh, I'm not looking at that car, it's got Simmons. I do like these rims. Fuck, he's leaving already. This. Oh, BE over there.
That colour code fucking rims, mate.
Yeah, looks nice. What are you doing? What? Not you. I don't see no you. nice cam.